Today I'm going to show you how I designed and prepared a custom ultrasonic sensor mount using FreeCAD, ready for 3D printing with Anycubic slicer. Open FreeCAD and create a new document. Start by creating a new body, selecting the XY plane. Sketch a rectangle of 30mm by 46mm centered on the origin. Add two internal circles, each 16mm in diameter, positioned 5mm away from the center along the horizontal axis. Close the sketch and pad this shape by 2mm. Select the front face of the base plate and create a second sketch. Select the external line with the external geometry tool. Draw a rectangle measuring 46mm by 10mm. Close the sketch and pad it by 1.5mm. Stay tuned, because next we'll add precise mounting holes, an essential skill for any FreeCAD project. Create a third sketch on the newly created rectangle. Sketch 3 circles of 2mm diameter, one centered and two others spaced equally at 9mm from the center, positioned 6mm from the top edge. Use the external geometry tool to all external lines. Close the sketch. Press Pocket tool. Create a fourth sketch on the side of your mount. Draw a rectangle of 31.5mm by 10mm to form the side support. Close the sketch and pad it by 1.5mm. Repeat this process on the opposite side to complete the structure. Now you can see the support finished. Select the body and export it as an STL file. Open Anycubic slicer, import the STL file, adjust the model's position on the print bed for optimal printing, slice the model and export the G-code. Want more easy-to-follow tutorials like this? Hit subscribe now and don't miss out. Did you succeed? Comment below. I'd love to hear how your ultrasonic mount turned out.